So what you see in this video now is going to be the product you get at the end of this tile set and auto tiling video. So stick to the end and you'll get a beautiful floor just like mine. So the first thing you gotta do is, well, make a sprite that has your tile. So I'm just gonna import a tile image right there. Yes. And the next thing you gotta do is go to tile sets where you create a tile set. I'll just call it tiles 1 for now. So the sprite you use is the tile sprite you already inserted, and if you look at it right now, look how small those squares are. So I'm just gonna make tile width 32 and tile height 32 for some good looking squares, I guess is what you gotta say. But the most helpful thing when tiling in your game is auto tiling. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So you see that? This is your template for auto tiling. And so the imported sprite image that we have pretty much goes perfectly with this. So to fill in these squares, all you have to do is just click on that. And then right here, it's important that you don't have anything, because in this, you don't need this. And that's really important because you need that checkered box over there. So from here on out, I'm just going to follow it exactly like this, because as I said earlier, this template goes perfectly with our auto tiling currently. Okay, so that's just our auto tile being done. So if we go to our room, yeah, you see this? So to put your tiles, you need to add a tile layer. So I'm just going to leave it as tiles 1 for right now. Then you use the tile set that we made just a moment ago, and we use that. So if we just click what we have right here, right, we can just do that, yeah? But if you look at it, it doesn't really just put the grass image on top. So kind of boring, honestly. So I'm just going to erase all of these, and I want to show you how to use auto tiling. So as we did earlier, we created an auto tile set. So to use that in your room, just go to libraries, auto tile selected, and boom, just automatically does it for you. See how it automatically switches between all the tiles? Just makes it real simple and easy when just making a game. So you just drag your mouse over anything you want it over. And that right there is how you make a tile set and how you use auto tiling. And boom. See, it looks much better than just that black room from earlier, yeah? Thank you guys for watching.